Good morning, grade 8. I hope that you are doing well. Happy Ramadan to all of you. Last week, guys, we talked how to translate and reflect the figures. Today, we are going to discuss about the rotations. As you can see now in front of you, learning objectives, as you will use the coordinate notations to find the coordinates of the figure that has been rotated about the origin. Your success criteria, please go through the success criteria, the steps, how to solve the questions. Your vocabulary today is rotations, pre-image clockwise, center of rotations, transformations, counterclockwise and anticlockwise. And why it's given the same rectangle? Because counter and anticlockwise having the same meaning. Don't forget your required material here as your textbook, copybook, pencil case, calculator is not allowed. Let's start our lesson by this PowerPoint. As you can see now in front of you, what is the rotations and turnaround? We will take a rotation as a description or definitions. When the rotations occurs, it's occur when an object is turned around a fixed point. And description of rotations involving three different pieces of informations, which is three important point of informations that you have to know it before rotating any figures. First of all, the angle of rotations, where you have to rotate. You are going to rotate and how much you are going to rotate. We know that we have three types of angles. We have a quarter turn, we are going to rotate a quarter turn only, half turn or 3/4 turn. 3/4 is 270, half turn is 180, quarter turn is only 90 degree. After knowing the angle and how much you can rotate, you will know the directions of rotations. We know the direction, it should be right or left. Right for clockwise, left for anti-clockwise or counterclockwise. The last point and the last important point, you have to understand the center of rotation. You are going to rotate the figure or object around what? Around the origin point, around which point? So it's a fixed point about which an object moves. First of all, I would like to explain to you how to rotate the image, the tree image in front of you, 180 anti-clockwise. If I use a pencil and I will just explain to you, sorry, just going back, for rotating 180 anti-clockwise. Anti-clockwise, it's left hand side. So I will rotate 180 anti-clockwise. Let's see now, how can I rotate the image anti-clockwise, left hand side, not right hand side, left hand side. I will rotate it, this is 90 degree, 90, which is quarter turn, then half turn, which is 180 degree. So it will be like this. I hope to understand this. Let's see this image. How can I rotate it 90 degree clockwise? And we understand the clockwise is a right hand side and 90 degree is only quarter turn. Only quarter turn. Let's see. I will rotate it right hand side and quarter turn only. So it was like this. It will rotate like this. It will be like this. Okay, this is 90 quarter turn. How can I rotate the image in front of you as a picture now? How can I rotate it anti-clockwise 90 degree? Anti-clockwise is going left. Okay, and a quarter turn only. Don't forget. So I will rotate the man like this. This is 90 left hand side, which is anti-clockwise. Remember guys, if I want to rotate the figure anti-clockwise left hand side 90 degree, it will be the same if I'm rotating this man 270 degree clockwise. You will understand more in this slide. Rotating shapes, a rotations occurs when it's happened an object is turned around a fixed point. Look, as you can see now in front of you, the following shapes is rotated 90 degree clockwise about the point O. And the second figure is, if you are going to rotate this T shape from the right hand side to 170 degree, it will be the same as rotating from the left hand side 90 degree. Remember that what I said in the previous slide. If you rotate the T shape 90 degree left hand side anti-clockwise, it will be the same as rotating at 270 clockwise. Remember, guys, please, this is a very important point. Okay, and let's see what do we have next. Yes, this L shape, if I rotate it right hand side 90 degree, it will be the same as left hand side 270. So anti-clockwise 270, same like right hand side 90 degree. Okay, I hope that to understand this. I will write it as a note in front of you guys, but let's see what do we have in the next slide as an example. Here I have three examples in front of you. I have first of all is how to rotate the green triangle to 170 degree. This green triangle is rotated to 170 degree in front of you anti-clockwise. Is rotated anti-clockwise 270 degree. Rotated first quarter, then second quarter, then third quarter, which is 3/4 turns, 270 degree. Anti-clockwise. So, if I'm going to rotate the figure, the green triangle, left hand side, but 180 degree, it will be like this. If I rotated 90 degree left hand side, it will look at it here. I hope that to understand from me. And let's see our practical questions here. And our practical questions here is in front of you now, guys. Let's see this question. I will do in front of you this question. First of all, graph the image of the figure using the transformation given. The transformation given is 180 about the origin. First of all, I will write the coordinates of Q, J, and H. So I will write Q, J, and H. The coordinates of Q is 0 and -1, H, -3 and -5, J, this is J is -5 and -3, H is -3 and -5. This is the coordinate of the Q, H, and J for the triangle. The triangle is given, the question is 180 about the origin. 180 about the origin. So I'm going to use this rule. 180 about the origin, I will write the same coordinate Q dash, J dash, and H dash. Okay, but I will reflect and write the opposite sign of X. So I will write X like this. Okay, I will repeat it. So Q dash, H dash, J dash, I will write negative in X and negative in Y. So here is 0. I cannot even write -0, so I will leave it as it is. Here is -1, so I will write it as a +1. Okay, here is -3, so I will write it as a +3. Here is -5, I will write it as a +5. Here is -3, I will write it as a +3. Here is -5, I will write it as a +5. I hope that to understand from me. I will write X as a -X and Y as a -Y. Okay, this is a rule to rotate clockwise or anti-clockwise 180 degree. Okay, after understanding here, this is Q, H, and J, and this is Q dash, H dash, and J dash. I will draw Q dash, J dash, and H dash. 0 and +1, 0 and +1 here. This is a Q dash. Then J dash is 5 and 3. 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then 3. 3 up. This is J dash. H dash, 3 and 5, 3 right, then 5 up, so it will be like this. This is H dash. Then I'm going to use my ruler to match between H dash and J dash. like this. I will match between H and Q, and between J dash and Q dash. So the triangle will be like this after rotating at 180 degrees. I hope that to understand from me. Question number 2 is independent task. You should do it by yourself if you don't understand me. Pause the video please and do it. After doing it, let's discuss about the answers together. So, and this question it says rotate 90-degree counterclockwise. In counterclockwise, I will not use a 90 rule. I will use 270 rule because we said counterclockwise the same as 270 clockwise. The same as 270 clockwise. Remember this rule. I will write it as a note inshallah in front of you at the end of the video. But we are going to use this rule. Okay, let's see and let's write B coordinates, S coordinates, and then L coordinates. I will write the coordinate of B, S, and L. L is 5 and 0. B is 4 and 5. S is 2 and 2. After writing B, S, and L, I will write the coordinate of B dash, S dash, and L dash. And how can I know the coordinate of the image, of the pre-image here is given? I will know it by using this rule. I will flip 4 and 5, it will be 5 and 4. I will flip 2 and 2, it will be 2 and 2, as it is. 5 and 0, it will be 0 and 5. Then, in a different color now I'm giving to you, I will write the negative in y coordinate position. So the negative in y here, negative in y, I cannot write negative 0 because as you know that 0 is not negative, not positive. Now I can draw the B dash, S dash, L dash now is given in front of you. Let's draw it. B dash is negative 5 and 4. Negative 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, negative left, and 4 up. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is B dash. Then S dash, negative 2 and 2. Then L dash, 0 and 5. And after putting the points, I will match between them. As you can see now in front of you, I will match between them. Then matching between S and B, S dash and B dash. Now I draw the triangle which is given in front of you after rotated counterclockwise left hand side 90 degree. I hope that to understand from me. Thank you very much for watching my video. If you understand from me guys, I have the last thing. Did you meet all of your success criteria? If yes, congratulations. If not, please watch my video again or let me know. Thank you.